Hello friends, this is Manish Goyal and today we are going to discuss how to find the roots of a quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula, because sometimes question is asked in your examination, find the roots by using the quadratic formula. As you know very well that you can easily find the roots of this given equation by middle term splitting, but how we will use the quadratic formula? Today we are going to discuss that. So everyone knows about the quadratic formula. The formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and now our main target is to find a, b, c first of all by comparing the given equation with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We will get a, b, c. The value of a is 1, the value of b is minus 4, and the value of c is minus 5. Now use the formula x is equals to what? Minus b, and here the value of b is minus 4, then it will become positive, plus minus b square, it will be what? 16 minus 4, and what is the value of a? 1, and what is the value of c? Minus 5 upon 2a, and what is the value of a? It is 1. Now what we will get? We will get 4 plus minus under root 16 minus 5 into minus 4, it will become plus 20, and in this way we will get 4 plus minus under root 36 upon 2, and everyone know 4 plus minus under root 36 will give us 6 by 2. Here the two cases arise. Case number 1, when x is equals to what? 4 plus 6 by 2, so it means x is equals to 5, and another case is what? Case 2 is equals to what? X is equals to 4 minus 6 upon 2, then this is minus 1. So here we will use the formula in such a way. So right, in next question we are going to discuss when the coefficient of x, x square and constant are given in the variables only, then how to find such type of roots by using the quadratic formula. This is the very simple question. Now see which type of question generally asked in your exams by using the quadratic formula. The one question we are going to discuss, the question is 9x square minus 6b square x minus of a to the power 4 minus of b to the power 4 is equals to 0, and you have to find out the roots by using the quadratic formula. So first of all we will compare and find the value of ABC. Here I am representing the standard equation in this way. See, what is the value of A? Then A is equals to 9. What is the value of B? It is minus of 6b square. And what is the value of C? It is minus of a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. And what is the formula now? Everyone know x is equals to what? Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now apply the values. What is the value of b here? It is minus 6b square, it is minus b, it will become 6b square positive plus minus square of this one, it is what? 36b to the power 4 minus 4, a की value 9, and what is the value of c? Minus of a to the power 4 minus of b to the power 4. Let's see. What is in denominator? It is 2a, and it will be what? 2 into a is 9. Now it is 6b square plus minus n under root 36b to the power 4 minus minus plus 9 4 the 36 a to the power 4, and minus minus it is already plus, it will be what? 36b to the power 4. So no need to confuse at all. Here you are seeing that 36 into b to the power 4 positive, it is negative. So what we will get after solving this, So right, we can remove the under root and we will get 36 is a perfect square of 6 and a to the power is a square root of 2. Sorry, the square root of a to the power 4 is a to the power 2, and what is here? 18. Now two cases will arise. Case number 1, now you are getting the concept. When I will take positive, it will be what? 6b square plus 6a square upon 18, in this way, b square plus a square by 3, and second case, b square minus a square by 3. So one more question I have done for you, and now we are going to discuss a very important question by using the quadratic formula from your NCERT book. So this question is frequently asked in examinations. Let's see how we will solve such type of questions. One more question. It is what now? 9x square minus 9 times of a plus b x plus 2a square plus 5ab and plus 2b square equals to 0. So this question is frequently asked in your exams. So here, what is a? 9. What is b? Minus 9 times of a plus b. What is c? It is 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. Now I am using the formula, and in formula, first of all, the value of b is minus, so it will become positive. 9 of a plus b plus minus n under root. What I will do, इसका square करना है मेरे को, तो it will be 81 a plus b to the whole square minus of 4. What is the value of a? It is 9. Then c is what? 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square upon 2 into 9. So no need to worry at all. First of all, we will discuss the value written in under root. So we are going to simplify this one, that is known as the b square minus 4ac. So we are simplifying the discriminant. So everyone knows that it will be what? 81 a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 9 for the 36 into 2, 72a square, 36 into 5 minus of 180ab and 36 into 2, 72b square. See here. So first of all, I am going to simplify the value written under root. It will be what? 81a square, 81b square into 162ab minus 72a square minus 180ab minus 72b square. What I want to tell you here, when you are going to solve such type of question, if you are saying the calculation under root is very lengthy, so you must try to solve this one in another way or extra side, so that you are not confused at all. So what we will get here? 81 minus this 9a square, then this will be what? 9b square, 162 minus 180, it will be what? 18ab. Here I can take 9 as a common, and it will become a square plus b square minus 2ab, and we can write this a minus b to the whole square. So when you are solving such type of calculation in as a rough work, तो you will not be trapped in the questions. तो यहाँ आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा, मैंने इस कैलकुलेशन को अलग से कर लिया, क्योंकि इस कैलकुलेशन को अंडर रूट में लिखते तो थोड़ा टाइम लगता, तो मैंने इसको अलग से लिख के दिखा दिया, आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. अब हमें करना क्या है वो देखिए आप. तो x इज इक्वल टू 9 टाइम्स ऑफ a प्लस b प्लस माइनस इट इज वॉट 9 a minus b whole square upon 18. When I will solve this root, what I will get? 9 a plus b plus minus 3 a minus b by 18. Now taking the positive and negative sign, now I am writing this with the help of a black pen, so you can understand the difference. See, when I take positive, then x is equals to 9a plus 9b plus 3a minus 3b by 18, and 9 and 3 is 12a plus 3b by 18. When I will take 3 common, what will be left? 6a plus b by 18, and 3 6 18. देखिए, तो what is the value of x here? Nine a plus 3a, here will be what? 6. So what I will take common? 6. So what will be left? 2a plus b upon 18. 6a cancel हुआ, तो your result is 2a plus b upon 3. 2a plus b upon 3, and when we will go for the negative sign, I am going to remove it. X is equals to 9a plus b, तो 9a plus 9b माइनस के साइन के साथ माइनस का 3a प्लस का 3b अपॉन 18. 9a minus 3a is what? 6a. 9a plus 3b is what? 12b upon 18. 6 common, a plus 2b by 18. 6 से cancel हुआ 3 times, and a plus 2b by 3. So these are the two expected solution which you are going to get by solving this equation. So try to solve the question in such a way. Thank you so much.